Hey, welcome back everybody. Brian from T-Sportline. Back into our Cybertruck DIY PPF installation series. Today we're moving into the doors in the side of the truck. Now you have 4 doors and all of them are pretty much the same for covering with PPF. So we're going to focus on this back door back here. And you might notice I put the vehicle in extract mode. So you go to the controls on the screen, switch to off-road, come back to the suspension setting and go all the way up to extract mode. And check it out, it's right here where I'm going to work on it. We'll do the back door. It's going to be the same for the front door, the same for the other side, and then we're going to come and do the upper arch here. Let's go ahead and dive right in, okay? First thing I'm going to do is take the door seal off. I'm going to put it in the back seat so it's where I know it is. Now we've got the door ready to go. First thing is we're going to spray it down with a slip solution like we always do. I can put my window back up now. Now we're going to go back to the door panel. Make sure I've got the right one. This is marked for driver's side rear door. Just like the other panels, start by soaking it down with our slip solution. I'm going to rotate it so that I'm pulling the top of the door off first. And the top has the angled cuts that match the door. Grab a corner. Start peeling this back. Make sure the whole thing is coated in slip solution. Now I'm going to pull down the middle. And we'll rotate it. Rotate it around back to the top of the panel again. And we're going to spray down the door now. I'm going to grab the panel. And again, I don't want to get it on my clothes, but I'm going to get it close up on the door. And it should slide very easily on the door. Pull it in here like we've done on the other panels. I want to start by lining up this top edge right around this corner. I'm going to pull it over until my edge lines up. Now I'm going to look on the bottom edge. I need to pull the whole panel down a little bit. And what I'm doing is working on getting the bottom edge lined up at the bottom of the door. The top edge is going to be somewhat covered by the door seal. So I'm not real worried about this edge up here. Okay, front edge is good. Bottom edge is good. This is lined up, not worried about the position of the film yet because it'll be covered with the seal, and then there's a little gap back here. Let's grab our slip solution, give the whole panel a spray down. I'm going to start right here. And go all the way down. Then I'm going to go up from this corner and back. Okay. We're gonna work our way back on the door. I'm gonna, again, a little bit of an angle here, just a slight angle like this. We're gonna come down all the way. Okay? All right, we're gonna come over again. And being with this big bubble here, I'm only gonna push about half of that over. Make sure it moves in the right direction. And we're gonna just keep working our way back on the door panel. Okay, we're about halfway, a little over halfway back on the door. This front edge is still where I want it. The bottom edge looks good. The back edge here, now's the time I want to stretch the film. So we're gonna end up pulling the film this way until I get this back edge lined up. The front shouldn't move. I've got enough of the front held down that now I can move the back edge and get that lined up. We got halfway across, checked out our rear edge, did some stretching of the film, swiped to lock the film in place, and then we're back in the middle to work out the slip solution. Okay, now inspection time. Going back, edges still look good. I see a small bubble up here. I can just work that back over the edge. Maybe a few bubbles up on the top, and I'm just squeegeeing them back out. The rest of this looks good. I'm going to spray it down one more time with the slip solution, re-squeegee the whole thing, and do a final inspection. We have one small spot down here where the film is bubbling right on the edge. And I'm gonna take the stick solution, let's pop the door open, and just spray that stick solution up where the finger in the film is. I'll use my small squeegee and squeegee that out. It may take a few attempts. So as this door dries out, this becomes easier to do as well. We'll keep an eye on this corner as this dries out, and if we need to, we'll go back and we'll spray some stick solution underneath it up into the finger. We'll squeegee it out, and if needed, we can put slip solution back over the whole panel and just make sure we've got all bubbles squeegeed out. So we'll keep an eye on that. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the truck down into entry mode so we can go ahead and do this top angular section next. You know how to do the doors. We can do the other 3 doors after that. All right, I'm gonna put this down and get the camera up on that. I've got the truck back to entry level mode, so it's lowest mode. I can reach the top of the truck now, and it's just about at my eye level, maybe a little higher, but I need to be totally comfortable touching and seeing this top edge. Whether you can drop it low enough or you need a stool is up to you. I've got the PPF, which is gonna be the longest piece that we deal with, that goes front to rear. Now, normally we spray it all down and we peel it off the backing. If you have enough table to do that in one piece, that's fine. You probably need a helper to put it up in one piece. What I'm gonna do is more of a one-person job, and we're gonna peel off the front half, get it up on the truck, and then we can peel off the back half after that. So let's get into how to do that. You start by spraying down the front half, the long part of this piece. And I'm almost at the halfway point. I'm gonna carefully put this back down, switch to the short part of it, and spray it all down. I'm on the back half of the film now. And we'll start to peel this. Okay. And like we've done on the other panels, let's start by spraying this down. Make sure we have no dust, no dirt. That's all soaked down. Our PPF is soaked down. I'm going to take the back part of the film and get that ready to put on. And the front part, I'm just going to roll up for now, right up to the pivot point. So I've got the corner of the film right there. We're going to put that up here and set the back part up. Okay? And then I'm going to slowly just work my way forward. Make sure it doesn't fall off the truck. And I've got it roughed into place. Come back to my corner point here, and I can put my finger underneath this and now more directly guide this into place. Now, like we've done on every piece, we're going to spend a lot of time going around, making sure these edges are right. And we're going to base everything off of getting this pivot point lined up. And the front edge and rear edge may be either a little short or a little long. That'll be okay. Let's come back in the middle. And this is the main thing to align, is right here. I need this to be aligned, and then we're going to work our way out. Let's spray it down. I'm happy with this location. I'm going to start my small squeegee and work about 8 inches out there. Now, I've got a little over maybe a foot to go. And in this back case, I need to pull the film a little bit back to get this back edge lined up. So I'm pulling, just dragging my hand on this to pull this back, making sure it still stays centered up, but with it pulled a little bit to fit to the edge, I'm going to hold that and squeegee it. Now, same thing, I've got about a little over a foot to go. Just kind of pull it where that edge matches perfect, top and front. And I squeegee it, and it locks in place. Now, back in the middle of the truck, spray it down one more time. I'm gonna do a little bit of an inspection, make sure my corner's still good, edges look good, rear edge is perfect. Okay, everybody, that does it for the top piece. Gonna be the same process on the other side of the truck, same as this door, and then the 2 doors on that side. So let's finish up all 4 doors and the 2 top arches, and then we'll move on to the next panel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.